Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Okay, we meet again. So this is the third part of legal requirements. So in this part, I will talk about OSHA 1994 in related to construction industry. So I'm going to give you a few examples of how the section in OSHA is related or are related to the construction industry. Okay, according to OSHA, construction is defined as any activity or process of construction, extension, installation, maintenance, renewal, removal, renovation, dismantling or demolition of any building, roads, drainage, electrical works, bridges, and works which include site clearance, soil investigation, and etc. So the broader definition of construction can be obtained from the CIDB Act 1994, which is Act 520. So if you are looking at this Construction Industry Development Board Malaysia Act 1994, Act 520, you can have a very detailed definition of construction. Okay, the example are general contracting, including civil engineering, and also special trade contracting. Okay, the objective of OSHA 1994 to secure the safety, health, and welfare of persons at work, to protect persons at a place of work other than employees, meaning that if there are outsiders coming to the site for work purpose, meaning that they are not the employees, so this act will also protect that person. To promote a suitable environment for persons at work, and also to enable previous legislation be replaced by regulation and approved industry codes of practice operating in combination with the OSHA Act 1994. Okay, so in construction, basically it is important for us to understand the duties of employers and self-employed person to their employees. So one, to ensure so far as it practicable, the safety, health, and welfare at work of all the employees, the provision and maintenance of plant and systems of work to ensure safety and without risk to health to the employees, make arrangement for safety and absence of risk to help in the use of plant and substances, provide information, instructions, training, and also supervision to make sure that safety and health is really at the best practice. Maintenance of place of work and working environment to make sure that safety and without risk to the health. Okay, in a situation where someone who are not the employees of that particular workplace coming to the workplace, so the employees and also the self-employed must make sure that the activities conducted by the outsider are not exposed to risks of their safety and health. So they must make sure that the safety and health of the outsider is taken care of while that person is in their workplace. They also must provide information on safety and health, as this might affect the activities of this person. Okay, as an employees, the responsibility or what should the employees do while at the workplace to take a reasonable care of their own safety and health, and also other person that are working with them or next to them that may be affected by their actions. The employees also need to cooperate with the employer and also to comply with the act and the regulations. Wearing a PPE provided by the employer is also the duties of the employees, and the employee also must comply with instructions provided by the employer on occupational safety and health. So if the employees fail to do so, the employees can be fined maximum Rm 2000 or imprisonment for 3 months, or maybe both the fine and the imprisonment. Okay, in a case where there is accidents or dangerous occurrence or occupational poisoning or maybe diseases, so what should be done is an employer must notify the nearest Department of Safety and Health or DOSH office of any incident, or if they are seeing if the incident might be happen, so they need to report the incident to the nearest DOSH. A registered medical practitioner or medical officer that attended the patient whom they believe is suffering for an occupational disease listed in the third schedule of the FMA 1967. So this medical practitioner or medical officer should report or must report the matter to the Director General of that company and also of the nearest medical institution. Okay, that's all for this part. So I hope you can have a briefly idea on how OSHA 1994 is related to the construction industry. Thank you.